In this season, it becomes more of a dance where two characters are matched. It heightens the flirtation because that's kind of how romantic scenes are written. You know, it's this conversation outside of what is being said through the characters' attraction to each other. This is wholly different and really screwed up, but that element is in there.
I'm like the head of the company, Mark.
Right. Dumb, sorry.
Yeah, you should be sorry.
Really?
I'm kidding.
Okay.
You're clearly not dumb.
I don't know. You're the one who invented a revolutionary medical procedure.
Hey, now, that was not me. That was my father.
Uh-huh.
To me, this scene is a quintessential season 2 scene because it's a scene where, I mean, you know, in season 1 there might be scenes where somebody knows something more, say Petey and Mark meeting at Pip's, but you have the disorientation that Mark brings to the scene because it's all new and being introduced to him. In this season, we have characters who are learning more and are understanding the world, or at least having their suspicions. And then in that scenario, it becomes more of a dance where two characters are matched, and in a sense, it heightens the flirtation because that's kind of how a lot of romantic scenes are written. You know, it's this conversation outside of what is being said through the characters' attraction to each other. This is wholly different and really screwed up, but that element is in there, you know, and it's very purposeful in the writing, obviously, but that incredible look down that Mark does at the end of their kind of flirtatious dance cues you to the horror and the danger of it.
You should meet him sometime.
Your father?
Sure, why not?
You want to take me home to Dad already?
Yeah, I think it's finally time.
Okay. Sure, let's do it.
You'd be the first.
So, no pressure.
Yeah, none whatsoever.
It's funny because Helena, in my mind, is a dual character even outside of Helene, because she has these tensions within Lumen in her relationship to her father, the kind of the real human part of her character, that is a daughter coping with her father and trying to find connection and getting nothing in return, and the kind of the wounded psyche that comes with that. And so she is both Helenas are in the room in this scene. You know, she is genuinely interested in Mark, but she's also there as a, well, I guess as an enemy, as you would say, but she is the one in charge. You know, she's going to do her duty for the company.
I mean, I can't imagine how confusing that must have been. Traumatic, even. And I know you've already been through so much with losing your wife and all. Hannah.
Gemma.